In the world, today honey is really popular because of the benefits it has. There are many health nutrients in honey and cinnamon. They are one of the most powerful combinations in the entire world if you want to lose weight. Cinnamon is effective in lowering bad cholesterol, increasing blood flow, and protecting your heart. Most importantly, it is really effective in speeding up the metabolism, and with that, you will burn more calories. How to make this powerful combination? Start by boiling 200 milliliters of water, and after that add a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder to the water and leave it like that for around half an hour, so it can cool down. After that add 1 teaspoon of honey and place it into the refrigerator. You should drink 1 cup of the prepared beverage around half an hour before going to sleep, which means that you should not drink it during the day. You should also remember that you should not add any other ingredients to this beverage. This combination is really effective in cleansing your entire organism from all the dangerous toxins and bacteria, and that will slow down digestion. Share this video so you can help your friends and family with this combination.